Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, March the 19th. These Thursday updates is a series where we show you things that we are doing here at Fort Fabric Studio. This week we opened some boxes, and then we also put together our mystery kits, so you get to see us working on putting all those together. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. That does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope that last clip about the kits was pretty entertaining to watch. Anything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to click those links based on those boxes. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.